Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Chris. This is PNWRC Madness. All right, guys, we're here to check out these Jconcepts choppers, test them out again. We went ahead and changed out the center insert. Guys, that's so awesome. They come with inserts. I just want to say that real quick. It's just a little piece, so we're going to test that out today. We're going to be a little more easy since we did switch them up to the XRT. And we're also going to be testing out this PNWrc Madness belt drive. So we do not have the belt drive mod done to it yet, but these tires are going to give it the good test. We switched up our gearing. We were running 1232 pulley. So yeah, let's get the batteries strapped in. Let me show you what we're using for batteries. We're using these CNHL 5070C LiPos. These are the G Plus series, so let's go ahead, put them in, and see what we can do out there. All right, check it out, guys. So these are not the straps. These are actually the prototype trays, but I offer these on my website. You can find these as well as the belt drive and all the Trill parts that Traxxas offers for, or Trill offers for the XRT. So like I said, these are the prototypes, but these are Kevlar straps. I do offer Kevlar straps. All right, let's put these bad boys in here. All right, I'm working on a few different size straps and offering straps separately. These are super nice straps. That's why I chose to sell them. They sold out really quick, but I got some with my logo on them now. All right, the trays are 4mm. The straps are 20mm wide with Kevlar stitching. All right, look at that. Those look super nice. Oh, look at that. I polished my motor and I forgot to rub off the wax, the polish. All right, definitely, guys, JCON. If you want to clean your trucks, this is how you do it. Check it out. You can watch my video on how I clean all my rigs. Super easy, super fast, super simple. All right, here we go, boys. Let's test this bad boy out. Here it comes. Kind of ballooning a little bit. Oh, there you go. Turned up the throttle a little bit. That is so awesome. Here we go. Whew. Yeah. Batteries are probably getting a bit dead too, so. Whew, look at that. Look at them choppers ballooning. That's gonna have to end the video, guys. Truck is super amazing. Handles way better than the xmaxx, that's for sure. We did crash it one time. Ooh, motor's getting kind of hot, but it's not like, ooh yeah, it needs fans. I could probably bring it up a notch. This thing is an absolute ripper. So there we go. Belt drive, PNWRC Madness. We got the mod coming out pretty soon. We got some other stuff coming out for the truck. Stay tuned for that. Just gonna be testing that soon. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll be testing that. And yeah, trying not to break this truck. Bulkhead mainly. And thanks a lot. Shout out to Jake Sussman for that part right there. And these are awesome, guys. Thanks for watching the channel. Guys, please do like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.